Thank you to the sponsor of this video, Daikin.
Buying a heating and air system can be completely overwhelming, especially if you haven't bought one in a while. It's unlike a house or car where I feel like most folks know at least a little bit about what they're about to buy. I've learned in our industry, homeowners don't even know where to start. In today's video, I want to show you a buyer's guide that Daikin has put together. Daikin is the biggest in the world at what we do. It's the company that we chose, the brand that we sold at my heating and air company. And in today's video, I want to go through their buyer's guide that's on their completely revamped website that they're completely building out. And one thing I want to point out as we go through, I'm going to show you this buyer's guide, but as you go through this, you may actually see something different than what I'm about to show you because they are changing things and it could look different in the future as they just continue to make it better and better. But let's dive into this. I'm going to show you the website and this buyer's guide. Now, if you see here at the top right, you'll see where it says homeowners and professionals. And unless you're a professional that wants all the boring, nerdy stuff that I sometimes need when I am installing the system or learning more about what I'm working on, otherwise you're going to be over here on this homeowners tab and you'll see on the top here, this buyer's guide. Now, this buyer's guide is full of so much information. I'm going to show you some of this, but just at first glance here, I wanted to just point out that when I remember years ago that when folks were, trying to learn where to start, that it was completely overwhelming. You could spend an entire day watching my videos, and I've heard folks say they wish they had after they had a system installed and had come across my video later. But this is a great place to start. And it's got a place here where you can actually build the system based on your needs. It goes through, of course, it's going to promote their products because they're great at what they do and it's their website. So they're going to have some of their warranty information, some of their extended service plans that you can get. It's going to also go through some of the tax incentives and credits that are out there. And if you look over here, rebates and offers, it'll be based on where you're located. So that's a really cool place to start. Another thing I'll show you is they have their own university here, if you will, Heating and Cooling 101. They've got blog posts. They got a video library that's being built out. They've got frequently asked questions that folks like you seem to ask, and they have answers to those questions. They've got calculators that go through things like whether it makes more sense to repair that system that you have in place, or if it makes more sense to replace, a calculator to go through that with you. And then also I did a video on this where you have a pricing and rebate calculator based on where you live. So it'll actually, it'll compare systems. It'll give you ideas on whether or not it makes more sense to buy this system versus that system, how efficient each are, and the savings and so on. But I'll put a link to that video down in the description of this one. Finally, we've got financing over here where you can get more information. Now, let's go back here. I just want to go through this real quick and show you a couple things. Our buyer's guide, we've got the information that I was telling you about with the warranties and so on. And this is one of the reasons I fell in love with Daikin years ago when I was selling the products at my company, because it seemed like there were some companies or some brands out there that a lot of the information was behind lock and key. There was a gatekeeper, being that, contractor that was in my home kind of thing. And the company was not so transparent with some of that information. And Daikin is very transparent. You can click right here, get the warranty information on certain products. It can also give you warranty information based on where you live. Another great place to start there. The extended service plan. So if you want to get a longer warranty, you'll have that ability, or maybe have, say, labor added with the parts warranty, things like that. And then, of course, tax credits based on where you live. Let me show you what that looks like real quick. So as we come down, putting in what kind of system you're looking at. And then, of course, some of this information, I remember years ago, there were programs that we did videos actually on, but there were programs in place where it was not easy to get some of this information. Federal Energy Efficiency Home Improvement Credit right here, right? It's all right here at your fingertips. And the whole reason I did videos on it years ago was because it wasn't so easy to find. It wasn't easy to find on the government's websites. Half the time, the contractors didn't even know anything about these programs. And in this case, it's all right there at your fingertips. What's the eligible systems that are for these programs and so on. So really good place to start there. Before I go to the next part of this buyer's guide, I just want to again thank the sponsor of this video, Daikin, and share a little message from them.
Day after day, I'm feeling the same. But today, I'm feeling a change. It's blowing this way like a new hurricane. And it's blowing, I'm feeling a change. Can't stop it now. You can't stop it now. Season change. Here come the new. You can't stop it now.
Next, I told you about their university over here, Heating and Cooling 101, where they've got videos and frequently asked questions. But I just want to show you real quick what the blog post section looks like, because not only is it, very informational, but one of the things I really enjoy about it is it actually goes through some of the actual problems you may be facing yourself. And it gives you solutions or information on those problems, such as if you're dealing with that contractor, what are some questions you can ask? Or if you live in a really cold climate and you're considering one of the more efficient heat pump systems that are out there, what's some information on that? What if you have a very limited space, whether it's lot lines or some other reason, you don't have a lot of space to put some gigantic system? Here's some information on that. So all real problems that you may be facing and information that can actually help you get through that system. So definitely check that out. That's actually one of my favorite parts of this entire buyer's guide. Next, we've got the digital calculators. I did a video on one of these, but there's different calculators here, such as building the, system, the solution, if you will, to your problem. There's a repair versus replace calculator there. So if you have a system currently that is in need of repair, you can actually go through this calculator to make an informed long-term decision using this calculator. So that way you can, you may decide to repair, you may decide to replace, and give you some things you had maybe not considered before. But the video I did on the calculator was based on the pricing and rebates based on different types of systems. So if you're comparing two different systems, one's more efficient than the other, maybe it's more of a long-term decision. What are some, rebates and programs out there based on where you live and the type of system it is? And this calculator will help you go through that. There's also, as I mentioned before, a rebates and offers section. I'm going to click that and let you see what that looks like. And again, just putting in your local zip code, it'll bring up some different systems and what rebates are out there and so on. So that's kind of neat. Finally, we've got our financing tab over here. So if you are exploring your options on financing for that heating and air system, there's some great information under this tab. And again, transparency, right? Going through what some of the programs are, some things to consider, such as selecting the contractor, rebates and special incentives, and your budget. Again, really cool place to start. If you are in the market for a heating and air system, this might be one of the first places you want to check out. You may end up on our website, newhvacguide.com, where we go through the entire process, but I think Daikin's Buyer's Guide would be a great place for you to start. I'll put a link to the Buyer's Guide down in the description of this video. Thank you again to Daikin for sponsoring. If you like this video, I think you'll like this one too. It's where I talk about some of the mistakes homeowners don't know about heating their home that I think you should. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more heating and air tips. We'll see you next time.